Welcome to our What's New 2020 series. I'm Mars Brining and I'll be here to take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Cell. Manufacturers like Omax are constantly seeking new ways to engage their customers and easily share the countless options and customizations available in their product line. SOLIDWORKS Cell builds interactive product configurators quickly, so internal teams, stakeholders and customers can select their own options, configurations, colors and customizations, all online, anywhere, anytime and on any device. For example, on this Omax waterjet page, you can fine-tune the door colors, safety setups, nozzle types and base supports out of thousands of possibilities. Even better, the favorite combination can be reviewed in an actual space with augmented reality to check the size, style and surrounding context. Going further with SOLIDWORKS Cell, the online traffic analytics feedback can help your business optimize both design and production. Now you can connect your products with your customers in a new interactive way using SOLIDWORKS Cell. In summary, you can create 3D configurators in hours to help empower your customers, allowing your products to be customized anywhere, anytime on any device. You can also use plug-and-play augmented reality to show them the end result. SOLIDWORKS 2020. Efficiently connect your customers to increase sales conversion rates.